Most people try to build credit the wrong way, and that is exactly why they stay stuck for years. They apply randomly, get rejected, and give up. But here's the truth no one tells you. Building credit from scratch in 2026 is actually simple if you follow the right order. In this video, you'll learn exactly how credit works, what to do first, which tools to use, and how to build a strong credit score, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap you can start using immediately. Let's start with the basics. Credit is just a record of how you handle borrowed money. Think of it like a financial reputation. If someone like Alex always pays bills on time, banks trust him more. If Jake misses payments or uses too much credit, banks see him as risky. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't need loans or debt to start building credit. You only need your first reporting account. That is the foundation everything else is built on. Step 1 is getting your first credit account. This could be a secured credit card, a student card, or a beginner-friendly credit builder card. These are designed for people with no credit history at all. This is where most people fail, because they apply for the wrong cards, or apply too many at once. Step 2 is using it the right way. Keep your spending small. Think of it like training wheels. You are not trying to spend money, you are trying to build a payment history. Even a small purchase like groceries or a subscription is enough. But here's the problem. Many beginners max out their card because they think usage builds credit. That actually hurts your score. What matters most is utilization. Try to keep it under 30%, and even lower if possible. Step 3 is paying on time. This is the most important factor in your credit score. Not balance, not income, not card type. Just payment history. One late payment can set you back months. So set up automatic payments if needed. In a minute, I'll show you a simple trick that helps beginners speed up credit building without taking extra financial risk. Step 4 is adding a second line of credit after a few months. This could be another card or a small credit builder loan. The goal is to create a mix of accounts, so your profile looks stronger to lenders. Now let's talk about timing. Most people expect results in a few weeks, but real credit growth takes consistency. You usually start seeing meaningful improvement in 3 to 6 months if you follow the system correctly. So what should you avoid? Do not apply for multiple cards at once. Do not miss payments. And do not carry high balances thinking it helps. The bottom line is simple. Building credit from scratch is not about tricks or shortcuts. It is about consistency, timing, and using the right first tools. If you follow these steps, you are building a foundation that can help you for life. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your situation and subscribe for more simple credit guides that actually work in real life.